In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Google Chrome new UI and features. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, move your cursor down to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. As soon as you open the About Google Chrome page, Chrome will automatically begin checking for updates. You do not need to search manually or press anything extra in most cases. If an update is found, Chrome will start downloading and installing it right away. Give it a moment to finish. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and how large the update is. During this part, it is best to wait until Chrome completes the process fully, so the latest improvements can be applied correctly. Updating Chrome is often the key step that enables access to refreshed layouts, visual changes, and newly released browser features. After the update finishes, Chrome will usually show a relaunch button. Click Relaunch to restart the browser and apply the update. If you have multiple tabs open, Chrome will usually restore them after restarting, but it is still a good idea to make sure your work is saved beforehand. Once Chrome relaunches, you should now be running the latest version. That means any newly available user interface updates and supported features can begin appearing in your browser. That covers everything you need to know.